Do you want to design amazing graphics, social media ads without knowing anything about the graphic designing? Then let's move to a service that is called Canva, which lets you to create amazing graphics without knowing anything about graphic designing. First of all, just go to canva.com and you will see this kind of screen. Here you can choose social media ad, whatever you wanted to design. Just sign up for free, do not pay anything. It has a paid version, but you can design without paying anything. I have already signed in here, so let's see how we can design amazing social media ads without knowing the graphic designing. Let's move to Facebook ad. It has many templates you can choose from. Let's select the Facebook ad, or we can just type here whichever we want. And here you go. Now there are many templates. You can just pick anyone and then start editing it in a minute. You can see there are many of them. There are other options as well. Photos, you can choose your photos. Similarly, you can upload your own photos, text and everything. Let's see, we choose one, this one. Here it is. Now we will just edit it and done. Double click on it and you will see. Medium. That's it. It designs. You can choose your own photos from here. I have already uploaded few of the photos. You can even color the background. Choose background from Canva. Elements, there are many elements, different kind of, you can make grids. And this software is not just a designing software. You can design anything from a simple design to a larger infographic and many more things. So let's back to our design we have just created. Click on download. And just download it into your computer. And that's it. And here it is. So this is a very easy tool you can use to create infographics and social media ads and any other kind of graphics without knowing anything about the graphic designing. It has a paid version as well, but the free version is enough for beginners to start making graphics. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel.